So a bit of math here to end with. 1,000 invoices at $200 an invoice is $200,000 in sales. This is just for a fixed time period. You can make it 6 months, you can make it a year, depending on the size of the shop. You implement the stuff that I've taught you today. 750 invoices at $350 an invoice is $262,500. You actually have slowed down the car count and taken time with these clients. It feels awkward at first not to be that busy, but if you're doing a good job with the inspections and you're presenting, remember the deferred work, the 40% rule, that's 62 grand just there for the picking. All right, so that's the making every car count. As far as car count goes, of your 1,000 customers that have been coming in, if you get 45% of those to come back one more time that year, that's 450 new car count, right? It's not a new client, it's just them coming back for a visit. Or if you get 1,000 people to bring, 30% of 1,000 people to bring in another car, that's 300 car count. That's an increase of 750 by asking 2 questions. Divide that by 12, that's 63 new car count a month. And seriously, folks, when you do that, what I call updating my database exercise, where I ask your address, phone number, what are the cars that you have with us, any other cars, people that are really good at that get between 2 and 3 cars out of that conversation. Statistically, it's like one of the best marketing things that you can do, because you already have a relationship with that client with their existing vehicle.
Sounds like you're playing the long game, and
Totally.
That's the goal. That's what you want shops to do. That makes a lot of sense.